Why, hello. We're looking at another day. Is that a word? We're looking at another day of financial literacy today. So we're going to do some practice and some review on some of the things that we've already talked about. So today's lesson is an income and budget review. So yesterday we reviewed taxes and income. Today we are reviewing income and budget. So basically, remember a balanced budget would have equal income and expenses. So remember, income is money earned, and expenses are money spent. And that's money exiting your account. Expenses, exit, right? So income is money coming in. Income, money coming in, and expenses are money spent or money exiting your account. All right, so basically, think of a budget as like a seesaw, and you want your income and your expenses to be equal, even if that means that your part of your expenses is savings. But you want them to be equal. If your income is less than your expenses, then you're in debt. If you spend more money than you make, then you are in debt, and that's not a good thing. Then you owe money to people. All right, so let's take a look at today's lesson. So we have an income and expense chart. So on the left side, we're talking about the money that this person earned. So they earned $12 with their allowance, $10 washing windows, $16 babysitting, and $10 with gifts. And then on the right are what they spend their money on, their expenses. So school lunches, $8, a field trip, $10, new jeans, $21, and savings, $10. So let's see if this is a balanced budget. So we're going to add together all of our income. Just add it all together. Oops, that's a plus sign. So 2 plus 0 plus 6 is 8. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So $48 is how much they earned. Now let's see how much they spent. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so they would be $1 in debt. All right, so here's the thing. If we are looking at a way that we can change to balance our budget, is it possible that we could just save $9 instead of $10? And if so, 10 minus 1 is 9, so 41 minus 9 is 48. Would it be balanced then? Is this number going to match this number? So also remember, savings is part of expenses. Just think of it like this. You're not spending it, but you can't use it once you're putting it in your savings account. Once you take it out of your savings account, you can use it. All right, so just think about that, and that's a good way to balance the budget is just put whatever leftover money you have in savings. All right, so let's move on. So here's Maddie's March budget. Maddie earns $40 for allowance, $20 for chores, $10 for selling used video games, and $15 for a gift. That's a crazy cat. Here are Maddie's expenses. Books and music downloads was $26, cat supplies $22, savings $30, and giving to charity $15. So what I want you to do is figure out if the budget is balanced. Are my income and expenses or Maddie's income and expenses the same? And if they're not, how could we balance the budget? So let's take a look. 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15. 4, 6, 7, 8. So Maddie earned a total of $85. All right, let's find out how much Maddie spent. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so currently Maddie is over budget. We can find out how much Maddie is over budget by subtracting our income from our expenses. So Maddie is $8 over budget. So what can we do with her expenses to get under that amount? Well, we could either adjust the savings, music downloads, charity, or cat supplies. So I want you to decide what you would change and why, and then we'll come back in the next video.